Welcome back. In this video, we'll be assembling the widest frame in the boat, frame 5. At 7 feet 5.5 inches wide, frame 5 is also the first open frame that we'll be assembling. Since frame 5 will not have a rigid beam across the top, I wanted to ensure that each joint in the bottom of the boat was as strong as possible. Therefore, after permanently attaching the gussets to the front side of the frame, I flipped the frame over and I used a spatula to force thickened epoxy into each of the joints, and then I used clamps to make sure everything had a tight fit. I cleaned up the excess epoxy with an orbital sander using 50 grit paper. With dowels, I realigned the frame to the frame construction board. Starting with the keel gusset and working my way up to the chine gussets on each side of the boat. In these close-up photos of the starboard and port side shear gussets, you only have to look at holes 6 and 7 to see that we're not perfectly aligned on the frame. The addition of a temporary crossmember is not only needed to attach the strong back legs, it can be used for the final alignment of the frame to the frame construction board. We align and dry fit the bulkhead. As with every frame, we insert dowels into the strong back leg holes and then attach the strong back legs to the frame. We mark the waterline on each strong back leg. And then mark the center line. That'll do it for frame 5. On frame 6, I'll show a different method to align these open top frames. Till then, cheers.